Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on read colors name aloud function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this and how to turn it on? First of all, we need to go to settings. Then we are looking for accessibility options here. And in interaction and dexterity, we have answering and ending calls. At the top we have reader color names aloud. We can tap it here and now this function is on. Of course we can have as you can see over Bluetooth or headphones only, so it won't use our phone speaker. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.